Hi everybody, it's Eve of Jolly Harbor Soap Market. I just received this neat little display in the mail today. I purchased it from a company off of Etsy called Farma Pharma, and I'll post a picture, but it's spelled Farma Pharma packaging. So you can look them up on Etsy. I spent about $35. And it comes apart, so it'll be great for shows to be able to break down and not take much space when I'm packing. Alright, I'll show you how it went together. Alright, so I hope y'all can see me okay. I received it well packaged. It came in less than a week from when I ordered it. The shipping was really well. I ordered 3 total, and he also included a display backing that is supposed to be chalkboard on one side so I can write on it. So I'll get everything out and we'll put one together here. See, everything is well packed. I'd already put one together, and it went together exactly like the instructions. Here is the instructions. It's just one sheet, but everything is easy to understand when you get it. So I'll go ahead and unwrap this. And this is intended to go on the back part of it. Oops. I'll pull this out a little further so you can see. And this, I don't know what this is. Paint? I'm not sure what, it looks like a little thing of paint or ink. I'm not sure what it is. I'll have to ask him what it's for. And this is chalkboard on one side. Actually, both sides. He does sell some that are not chalkboard, so it would be the plain wood, so it can be stained, painted, wood burned with your logo if you wish. And it has tape on it, so it should tape on the back. But we'll try that out here in a little bit. Alright. I'll go ahead and get everything out and then bring it back, okay? Okay, so I have everything out of the package. It's actually the next day. A little more lighting in the garage. My soap shop's in a corner of our garage, so it was so dark last night, but I didn't want to wait to open my package. I was excited to get it. And again, everything came packaged beautifully, but I have everything out now and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. It comes with a single sheet for instructions, which if you look at the pictures closely and follow them, it goes together very smoothly. You will find in your kit 2 of these shaped boards with slots. Those will be the side pieces that hold the shelves. And then you'll have 6 shelf pieces. 3 are wider, 3 are more narrow. You will start with assembling the wider pieces, and then the narrow pieces end up have to go in after the long ones. A mistake I made on my initial effort, I assembled the long ones in the wrong side, which you can, but I just ended up with a little gap, which I'll show you pictures of those. So the part you want to start with, do not start with this side where the slot is at the very corner of the slope. You want to start with this one where the slot is a little ways up the slope, and you will assemble your large shelves into these slots first. So we'll start with that. once you get the first one into place, it kind of holds everything else in where it needs to be. They are snug enough to fit well, but they're not so snug that you can't get it on there. So, okay, there's the first shelf, and you just continue on up with the rest of the wide pieces. You just got to do it a little bit evenly between the two sides so you don't get a leverage that will keep you from sliding it into place, like I just did there. Alright, so there's the second one, all in, and now for the top one. Now I'm going to show you something. If you have done these correctly, you will have space here to slide the narrow one into place. See that? You'll have space in between that edge to go in. So I will start doing the top ones. I almost have my camera too close, don't I? So see there? You'll have a nice, you won't have a gap there. And it's possible, while you're wiggling stuff around, the shelf might come out and you just need to pop it into place. But I really like this. I'm going to enjoy these at shows and markets because I can break it down. There we go. That one was a little more snug. Alright, and there you go. Let me go ahead and adjust this a little bit. There. So you can see a little better now. Nice. So this way, I'll show you. Technically, you could fit 4, but I noticed that front one will, I do 1-inch bars. That front one will be a little tipsy, and then by the time you get to the bottom, you'll only be able to fit 3. So, I'm going to use a format of 3 and 3. And because I have the more narrow bars, I can actually fit 4 across. Put them down a shelf so you can see better. Can actually do 4 across with a tall narrow bar. Mine are 2.5 inches wide. And then if you're doing 3.5 inch wide bars, you can easily do them 3 across comfortably, and then 3 out. So you can see how that fits. Alright, I hope this helps folks. So there's 2 ways you can do it actually. Take these off. So you can have it this tall way, or actually this is the more long way, or you can actually flip it around and it'll be a little bit taller. Alright. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it helps. And I definitely recommend these by Farma Pharma. They have an Etsy shop, Farma Pharma packaging on Etsy. $35, then shipping on top of that, but it was reasonable shipping. He does flat rate. And it's a great little product. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good day. Bye. Alright, So one last feature that I was sent with this order, I ordered 3 of these, and he wanted to show me a new product that he has. He's been making backboards to put on the back, but having the chalkboard paint on there is a new feature. And if you get any chips in it, he even included a little thing of paint. When I first opened the package, I was like, what is this for? But then it finally dawned on me. It's black. We have chalkboard paint on here, so we can always touch it up if we want to with our little thing of paint. So he put sticky tape on here, is how he chose to do it. And all you do is you just put it on the back. It sticks into place. And then you have a nice display place to write. So he sells it with the blackboard, with the chalkboard paint, or with the plain wood. And so the nice thing about the wood on these, it is untreated, so you can stain it, paint it, wood burn it, which I will likely do in the future. So thank you very much, Farma Pharma, for a great product and allow me to show folks how to put it together. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Alright, so here I have 2 side by side, and I want to show you something. This is the first one that I assembled, and there's no gaps. Either way, no gaps. Well, this one that you just watched me assemble, and this is what it looks like with some different products on it. Lotion bottles. These are 8-ounce lotion bottles, and you can't really stack 2 in a row. These are 4-ounce bottles, little squatty Boston rounds, and they will sit 2 in a row on a shelf. My soaps fit comfortably. They're 1-inch bars, 3 per row, like that. And so that's just kind of an example of what things look like on it. But let me move these, and I'll show you, because this is the one you watched me assemble, and I actually got my placement of my boards backwards. You see there's a gap there, but it really didn't hurt anything. But it shows you can put it together 2 different ways, and it fit the same way, because I tried it. I can fit